have a Taumel, a BK-100 riveting machine. We got it hooked up to 460 volt, 3-phase power, and also to an air compressor. I'm gonna turn it on and show you that it works. Only thing that doesn't work is the light on this unit. I might need a bulb or something, but it doesn't work. Wanted to start, you gotta press both of these buttons for it to work. Right there is with your timer. Do it one more time. It'll hold it where you can set your timer. This way it just goes down, back up, and back right up. Okay. This right over here controls your up and down. So you gotta loosen up this screw right here, and then press whatever direction you want it to travel. This will lift your head up or go down. Will now go down. Then once you find a spot, you can lock it in place.